National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beloit, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Clinton, Tiffany, Johnstown Center, Funks Hollow, Avalon, Show Pier, Afton, and Emerald Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.